Hello everyone, I am Krishan Sangwan from Aryans Model School. As we all know that now government has been given permission for the vaccination for 18 plus age. So we all have to first register ourselves on the Arogya Setu app for this vaccination process. Now for this what you have to do, first you have to install this Arogya Setu app in your mobile. After installing this app in your mobile, first you have to register yourself from your mobile number. It will ask an OTP. A OTP will come when you will enter that OTP in this Arogya Setu app. You will be registered in this app. After that, you will open this. After opening this, you will find vaccination on the top. You have to simple click on the vaccination. Now you have to enter your mobile number and suppose it is 7015982266. You have to proceed to verify this number. Now it will generate a OTP and this OTP will be valid for 10 minutes. When you get the OTP, you have to enter your OTP at this place. This OTP might take 1 or 2 minutes because this process is doing by various or you can say many of the people. So it might take you some time for the OTP. You have to just wait for some time for a OTP. Whenever you get the OTP, you have to put this OTP on this place. So if you are not getting your OTP, then you can try again for your OTP after the required time. So 5 seconds are remaining before resending our OTP. So we can again try our OTP. Whatever OTP you get, you have to enter this OTP in this 618046. You have to proceed to verify. Now what you have to do, you have to select the ID that you want to register. You have to simply select your Aadhaar card. Now you have to enter here Aadhaar number, that is 665899836966. Then you have to enter the name. After that you have to select the gender. After you have to select your year of birth, and year of birth is 1978. Submit. When you submit, it will verify your all entries that you have to submitted here, and after some time it will give you a registration number. So one more thing, that you can also register here your 4 family member on the same mobile. To add your family member, you can click here to add beneficiary. यहाँ पर आप अपने फैमिली के सेकंड मेंबर की आईडी भी एंटर कर सकते हैं. जितने भी आपके घर में फैमिली मेंबर हैं, यू कैन एंटर all Aadhaar card with their name and other detail. After submitting all, you will get a reference ID through a SMS from this Arogya Setu app. What you have to do, you have to send this reference ID to Kuldeep sir in the school. Thank you.